Hi all, RetroTech Chris here again. So this year, as per usual, I am attending Vintage Computer Festival East 2023. And together with YYZ Kevin, we are showcasing an exhibit on the IBM Classroom LAN administration system. In this video, we're going to show you how you can connect to YYZ Kevin's cloud IBM Classroom LAN administration server. So without further ado, let's go. As per usual, this procedure is available in my GitHub repository. A link is in the video description. For prerequisites, you will need to have Oracle VM VirtualBox installed and grab a copy of the IBM ICLAS boot disk that will allow you to connect to YYZ Kevin's server. So we'll go ahead and grab that. So next up, we get to create a DOS virtual machine. And you can see the procedure here. In VirtualBox, we can go New, and I'm going to give it a name of DOS ICLAS and hit Next. The defaults are fine. 32 megabytes of memory is fine, so next. We do not need a hard disk for this installation, so we can hit Create, which will not create a hard disk, and then Continue. And our virtual machine is set up. Next, we need to set up a NAT network. So we can go File, and then Preferences, and then Network. And next we can click on that green little network card with a plus to create a default NAT network, and then the green network card with a settings wheel to check the settings. And as we go here, we can check the network CIDR to make sure it is correct for our virtual network, and it is, and also that the name of the network is specified. And here you can see it is this NAT network name. If yours is not named that, please make a note of it. We'll need it later. With that, we can close the dialog. Okay, so now you want to select your VM and go to the settings wheel, and then go down to Network. And what we're going to do here is set this up to use that NAT network. So we can change attach to be a NAT network, and then make sure the name that we specified earlier is chosen here. Perfect. Next, we're going to go to Storage and pop that floppy into the floppy drive. So we can go Storage, click on that empty floppy, go to the Attributes area, click the floppy icon, and choose that image file that we downloaded earlier and hit Open. Perfect. From there we can hit OK and close the window. All that's left to do at this point is to launch the virtual machine and watch the magic happen. So we'll hit the Start button here, and we'll see it go through the boot process relatively quickly. I have sped things up just a little bit. And before long, we are greeted with this IBM Classroom LAN Administration System screen. Go ahead and press Enter on this screen, and you can put a username in of guest, and then the system will launch, and now you can explore around. There's games, there's programming tools, lots of things to explore. But how cool that this is running on the cloud. You can see I launched Visual Basic here, so cool. In any event, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy VCF East. Bye for now.